Hey, my peeps, let's make some cute back to school pencil cookies, all right? So I got this mold on Etsy. I'll post a link if I can. So you just gonna press that in there real good. I did a 1-layer cookie. You could do 2 layers if you want, but I just did 1 layer. So I kind of let it sit overnight and get dry so I could cut it to make that cookie, the pointed end for a cookie. And then starting to look like that little cookie shape. So then I got my mixture of cork, Mod Podge, and paint, and I did a little bit in pink, and I did a little bit in the ivory color. So the pink is going to be the eraser for my cookie. But first, I kind of made the mix overnight, so make sure you stir it up and get it going, because sometimes it like kind of thickens up and gets into like a glob. So you just want to make sure you mix that up. So you could dip your cookie in there if you want. And I kind of did a dip in. I took a stick and put it just on top of the cookie. Now you want to make sure that you get all of the extra off, because if not, it's going to make a puddle at the bottom of your cookie and it's not going to look good. So make sure you get off as much as you can extra off the cookie, like wipe it on the side or whatever. So now we're going to do the point of the cookie, right? So I did the same thing, kind of dipped it in there and then took my stick and just helped it along, you know. So make sure to get all those extras off. That's really important because it will puddle and then you're not going to have a good point at the bottom, okay? So I'm going to lay that down, put my mixtures away, and then I'm going to use slick paint to make the lead tip. So I just used a little bit of black slick paint, and just get you like a pointy tool or a toothpick and spread it around to the tip of the pencil. And then you're gonna get a little bit, I got you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but I got me some gray slick paint, and I'm just gonna make a line across where the eraser is. And then I'm gonna get my pointy tool and just straighten out that line to make it nice and even and make it look pretty. And basically that is your pencil cookie. And I think it came out pretty cute. And here we go. I made a bunch of extra ones. I really like the way this looked. It came out so cute. And you guys go and make you some, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.